Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your features by using makeup. You just have to include some tips and tricks to your makeup and your makeup will definitely last for a really long time. And also you can enhance your features just like this. You can enhance your lips, you can enhance your cheekbones and eyes, and you can look more attractive. So for your photos, we all girls want that to look more attractive. So this is what I have done on my face, and you can totally see I totally love this makeup. This is so simple, not gonna take a lot of your time, and just a few tips and tricks can definitely change your makeup game. Trust me guys. In today's video I'm sharing with you all the tips and tricks that I know about makeup, and yeah, this is going to be very simple. So if you are new here, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do watch this video till the end to know all the tips and tricks that I know. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, first of all, I'm going to use this toner. So this is the Plum Grapeseed face mist. It's not a toner but it's a face mist, and it works really well to prep your skin. So first of all, I'm gonna use this one. So next up, I'm going to use my moisturizer. So मैं बहुत दिनों से ये Pond's का moisturizer नहीं use की थी. So let's just use it in today's video. You guys know how much I like this moisturizer, but अभी कुछ दिनों से वो chia seed use करने के बाद मैं इसको नहीं use की थी. But today I'm going to use this one. Just to enhance your features, you definitely should moisturize your skin thoroughly so that आपकी skin glow करे, and बहुत ज़्यादा आपको highlighter and वो सब चीज़ें लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Next, I'm going to use a sunscreen. So for the sunscreen, I'm going to use this Lotus Organic Plus Ultra Matte Mineral Sunscreen. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is a mineral sunscreen. This is matte sunscreen. So if you have oily skin just like me, then you need this sunscreen in your life. It is very matte and it will not going to give you that oily and sticky finish after applying a sunscreen. Lotus Organic Plus products are free from all harsh chemicals. They are paraben, sulfate and also preservative free. This is a very good sunscreen. You should definitely give it a try. This comes with SPF 40, PA++ and UVB ray protection. It has organic cranberry extract which will give you a fresh feeling to your skin, and so you should definitely include a sunscreen, a good sunscreen which is all harsh chemical free. And ये एक tinted sunscreen है जो कि आपको थोड़ा सा कवरेज देगी लगाने के बाद, एंड आपका थोड़ा सा डार्क सर्कल एंड एवरीथिंग को ये थोड़ा सा कम कर लेगी. So you should definitely use a sunscreen like this which will just mattify your face and not going to provide you any sort of sweaty feeling on your face. Let me show you how you can use a sunscreen and how much sunscreen you actually need. So आपको 2 finger, अगर आप 3 finger नहीं लगा सकते just like me, then आप 2 finger sunscreen लगा सकते हैं like this. This much quantity you at least need while applying a sunscreen, वरना आपका कोई भी काम नहीं आने वाला है. So आप थोड़ा सा sunscreen लो, इसे dab करो and then pat it to your skin. After applying this sunscreen, you will not face any white cast problem on your skin. So that is what I really like about this product. So guys, this is a matte sunscreen which is really good for oily skin, and this is for all skin type. Sunscreen retails for ₹595, but you can use my coupon code that is flashing on the screen right now to get extra 10% off on your purchase. So this is available on Nykaa, Amazon and also on their website. I will provide all the link in the description box below so that if you want to buy this product, you can definitely get this product on your hands. So today we will use a very lightweight foundation. I have made a video about it on my reels, I guess. So this is the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. This is how it looks like. And oh my god, I love the packaging of this product. This comes with a pump packaging as well, this one. And I'm gonna take a minimum quantity, like a little bit of this product. This much will be enough. थोड़ा सा और ले लेते हैं, this much. Okay, so next I'm gonna mix a little bit of this serum. So I'm gonna mix this a little bit, like 1 to 2 drops, and हम इसको mix करेंगे so that हमारा dewy base रहे. एंड ये बहुत अच्छा हैक है, आप डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। थोड़ा सा सीरम अपने फाउंडेशन में मिला दो, अगर आपका मैट फाउंडेशन है देन वो डेफिनेटली ग्लोई फाउंडेशन बन जाएगा। सो ये मैट नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ग्लो के लिए। So next you need a damp beauty blender. This is very important. अगर आप अपने ब्यूटी स्पंज से अपना मेकअप को ब्लेंड करेंगे देन आपका मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल लगेगा।
That's good.
Guys, in the next step I'm going to use this concealer. This is called the Swissbeauty liquid concealer and my shade is 04, so it's a little bit lighter than my shade. So मैं इसको अपने highlighted area पे लगाना पसंद करती हूँ. So I'm going to apply it here and on my highlighted area. So इससे आपका face naturally थोड़ा highlighted and lifted लगने वाला है. So next I'm going to use this setting powder. This is by K Beauty and you guys know how much I love this setting powder. I have mentioned the setting powder a lot in my videos and I love this one. I'm done with setting my face. Next up I'm going to use a eyebrow pencil. So today I'm using this one, not this one. This is the Maybelline eyebrow pencil and इसके साथ स्पूली नहीं आता है, so मैं इसको यूज कर रही हूँ. And just remember you have to do it in upward direction so that आपका face lifted लगे and we are just enhancing our features. Guys, by doing this step you will definitely going to notice a lifted look on your face and after that I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill my eyebrows very naturally. मैं कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा शेप नहीं दूंगी, अपने आईब्रोज के शेप में ही इसको फिल करूँगी. आप देख सकते हैं मैं बहुत नेचुरली अपने आईब्रोज को फिल की हूँ एंड उसके बाद अगेन मैं ये स्पूली लेके इसको बस ऐसे कोम कर लूँगी एंड अच्छे से सेट हो जाएगा. That's it. So this is going to be your eyebrows look. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फिल नहीं करना है वरना वो थोड़ा सा made up लगने वाला है. So in the next step we are going to give some life to our face. So first of all I'm going to use a bronzer. So for my bronzer, you guys know my favorite bronzer is this one and this is the one and only bronzer that I have. So it's called the Sugar Contour and Deforce Mini Bronzer. My shade is 01. So you have to use good amount of bronzer क्योंकि हम अपने फेस को थोड़ा सा लिफ्टेड लुक देने वाले हैं. सो जो भी चबीनेस है अपने स्किन पे वो इसको ठीक कर लेगा. जस्ट अप्लाई योर ब्रॉन्जर इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन and it will just give you that lifted look. You guys can see the difference. I'm gonna do the same step here as well. After applying the bronzer you can totally see the difference. My skin is looking so lifted and this is what I like. With that we are going to add a little bit of blush and blush हम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगाएंगे, not little bit. So for blush I'm gonna use this blush today. So this is one of my favorite. This is called the Faceshop. It's a tint. So this is called the Faceshop Lip and Cheek Tint and I love this one क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा एक warm tone blush है. अगर आपको warm tone blush लगाना पसंद है then you can definitely try this one. So आपको blush इधर लगाना है like here on your cheekbones and not here. इधर लगाएंगे तो आपके face थोड़ा सा chubby दिखेगा. I like to use my blush over here. As you can totally see this side of my face is looking lifted and अच्छे से मैं अपने blush को भी blend कर लूँगी like this. So I'm gonna do the same step over here as well and I'll be back. We are done with our blush and this is how my skin is looking right now. So next step I'm going to use a liquid highlighter. So this is the highlighter that I'm going to use. This is called the Swissbeauty Pearl Illuminating makeup base. It's a makeup base. You can use it underneath your makeup as well, but I'm gonna use it as my highlighter. So इसका बस थोड़ा सा amount आपको लेना है. It's just like this much quantity I take and next you have to apply it here. And it's a very natural looking highlighter, trust me, I love this one. So you can see the glow. So we are done with our base makeup and this is what my skin is looking right now. हमने अपना आईब्रोज भी कर लिया है. नेक्स्ट हम अपने आई फेस कुछ लगाते हैं. सो फॉर दैट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अ लाइनर, बट हम बहुत थिन लाइनर ड्रा करेंगे. क्या होता है ना गाइस, अगर आप एक थिक लाइनर ड्रा करते हैं तो आपके आईज ज़्यादा छोटे दिखने लगते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई रियलाइज दीज डेज. सो आप एक थिन सा लाइनर ड्रा कीजिए एंड नॉट फ्रॉम हियर, do it from here. I will show you how to do it. This is the Maybelline Colossal Bold eyeliner. It's a very nice eyeliner. If you are beginner then you can definitely try this one. इसका टिप भी बहुत precise है, so आप एक precise eyeliner इसे draw कर सकते हैं. So what you have to do, you have to just make a line over here, just like this. See, I have done it like from here to here. You can see it closely. This is how you have to do your eyeliner. So you can see this eye and this eye difference, you can definitely notice. So my eyeliner is done. This is how it looks like. So in the next step, I'm gonna do a little bit into my eyes. So for that, you need a brown eyeshadow or a brown kajal. You can definitely use. So for my brown eyeshadow, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. This is my oldie but goodie. So I'm gonna take this one, this brown shade. I hope you can notice the difference, but it's looking so attractive and I love this kind of a brownie eye look. So black liner के ऊपर आपको थोड़ा सा brown shade लेके इसे smudge करना है and आपको अपने liner को smudge नहीं करना है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा आपको smudge करना है. That's it. So as you can see, I'm done with my eye look. So next, as we are enhancing our features, so it's really important to use a lip liner before using a lipstick. So for my lip liner, I'm taking this one. This is from the brand called Wet n Wild and I'm in the shade Chestnut, I guess. Yeah, it's in the shade Chestnut. And the next, I'm going to use this lip shade. It's a matte lipstick. It's called the NYB Liquid Lipstick and my shade is Mugs and Hugs 12. The name is really nice and ये बहुत अच्छा nude सा कलर है guys. I love this shade and ये अभी मैं बहुत रेगुलरली यूज कर रही हूँ. So I'm gonna use this first and after that we will use this one. इस जो आपका नेचुरल लिप लाइनर है, आपको थोड़ा सा उसके नीचे अपने लिप लाइनर को लगाना है. Just like this, you can see मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा नीचे लगाई हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे आपको नहीं लगाना है, otherwise it will look weird and I don't like that look. आपको बस सेम स्टेप अपने अपर लिप में भी करना है. And next I'm going to use this lipstick. And we are done with our lipstick. Next हम कुछ लगाना भूल गए हैं जो कि बहुत important है. That is to apply a good coat of mascara. It will just enhance your eye look and that's why I love to apply my mascara all the time. And for my mascara today I'm going to use one of my favorite. This is the Nykaa Like It Long Waterproof Mascara. अगर आप एक वीडियो देखना चाहते हो जिसमें मैं आपको top 5 mascara शेयर करूँ, then do let me know in the comment section below. So this mascara we will apply, but before that, to enhance it a little bit more, we are going to curl our lashes. So first first of all, one tip that I want to give you to lengthening your mascara a little bit more, first do this and then apply your mascara. So our mascara is also done, and basically we are done with our makeup, but I want to add a little bit more to it. For that you have to take the same eyeshadow like the brown one, and आप इसको अपने low lash line के भी apply करेंगे so that your eyes will look way more attractive. So guys, that's all for our makeup, and this is how my makeup is looking right now. Guys, by doing this little bit tips and tricks, you can definitely see the difference on the makeup look that I have done in today's video, and I totally love this kind of makeup look these days. I love to enhance the features that I have. You should definitely be happy with what you have, and you have to enhance that as well. So this is the makeup I have planned in today's video, and you guys can see this is how it looks like. The outcome, I totally love it. So if you are creating this makeup look, then do not forget to tag me on my Instagram. The handle is right here. You can definitely subscribe? No, you can definitely follow me there. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what other kind of a video you want me to make. Don't forget to press that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you guys definitely will be notified. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.